Hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. Today we will learn how to prepare potting soil for planting. This learning is important because we do not have the skills to do this work, but we will try on our part to know how to prepare the soil in the field in a good way. And easily, then it will give us the best plant results. In the previous video, we learned how to make a pot from an old plastic bag. So many people ask the question that the pot is made, but tell us how to prepare the potting soil. Then in today's video, you will learn how to prepare the potting soil. Before proceeding further in the video, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video will reach you and you can watch more such videos. Can see and learn. So let's start our video. 3 things will be added to potting soil. 1. River soil 50%. 2. Dung 30%. 3. Burnt wood dust 20% will be used. These 3 will mix well. The advantage of this will be that there will be no standing water in the prepared soil, which will not burn our planted plant, and the plant will be able to grow properly. That's all in today's video. Hope you know how to prepare potting soil. You must have understood, and if you have any question about it, then you can ask in the comment section. And stay connected with us to learn more. Thanks. We'll remember in your prayers and like the video if you like it. Also, you can comment on which topic to make a video. We'll take good care of himself. Goodbye.